Isiguli sokuqala eningizimu Afrika esahlonzwa ukuba sihaqwe iCovid-19 sabe siqhamuka kulesifundazwe. Kusukela ngaleso sikhathi ke zilokhu zikhuphuke njalo izibalo zabantu abahaqwe ilesifo. Njengamanje bangaphezulu kuka-46,000 abantu abasahaqwe ilesifo kwaZulu Natal, nokuyisibalo esiphezulu ke uma uqhathanisa nezinye izifundazwe. Iziphathimandla zesifundazwe zithi ke uhulumeni usekulungele ukuqala ukugoma izisebenzi zomnyango wezempilo.
The province has established a vaccine coordinating committee which include private sector, hospitals, traditional leaders, eThekwini municipality, health systems trust, organized labor, NGOs, especially the PEPFAR, which has always been our partner, the academic sector, the National Health Laboratory Services, the civil society, and the South African Military Health Services, among others.
Zingaphezulu kuka-160,000 izisebenzi ezingena ngaphansi kwalolu hlelo lokugoma ke lokuqala.
As a province, we have had to add the number of people who are going to be responsible for vaccinating over and above the nurses that are conducting that responsibility currently.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi kuyakhuthaza ukubona zehla izibalo zabantu abahaqwa ilesifo kulamasonto ambalwa edlule. Lo mgomo kulindeleke ukuba ufike esifundazweni mhla ziyi-14 kwephezulu. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.